Welcome to the American Eagle, backwards POV. Ladies and gentlemen, thought as we're going up the lift to give you a little context. They're in the middle of doing block checks, which, if you don't know what that is, I'm not going to get into it. You can watch my other panel reviews. But they're in the middle of doing block checks, so the lift is going to slow down, which is by design, because during normal operation, the lift will slow down if the block's not clear to give the operators a little more time to pull the next train in. So the lift's going to slow down, but then since they're doing it intentionally, it's going to stop at the top. We're going to have a brief little pause, then you're going to hear the buzzer for the ride restarting, and then together we'll once again be able to ride American Eagle Blue backwards. And fun fact, I personally rode on the second to last backwards blue train ever in 2011.